Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So here they say solve the following. Okay, Zahra, 9 plus 2 is?
11. I love adding.
Are you sure it's 11?
Yes.
Okay.
I love adding.
Good job. 7 plus 2?
10.
No, 7 plus 2 is not 10. 7 plus 2 is what?
No, plus the 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But from next time, say what I said, okay?
Okay.
4 plus 3 is?
7.
Plus 1?
8.
801. Good job. Our answer is 801. Okay, 2 plus 3 is?
5.
Good job. 9 plus 6 or 6 plus 9 is?
15.
Good job. 6 plus 4?
10.
Plus 1?
11.
Our answer is?
1155. Haha.
Good job. 6 plus 5 is?
11.
Good job. 9 plus 5 is?
15. I mean,
14, and then 15. Yeah. 7 plus 3 is?
9.
7 plus 3 is not 9, it's 10. And then plus 1 is 11. Oh wow, it's almost the same.
Huh. 155.
Okay, 9 plus 4 is? 13.
13.
Good job. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is?
6.
Good job. 3 plus 2 is?
5.
Our answer is?
563.
Okay. 2 plus 9 is?
18.
No, it's not 9 times 2, it's 9 plus 2, so it's 11. 7 plus 1 is?
8.
Good job. 6 plus 3 is?
9.
Good job. 5 plus 3 is?
7.
No, it's 8. Okay, next. 1 plus 1 is?
2.
Good job.
8.
Good job. And 7, right?
7.
Good job. Our answer is 782. Okay, 6 plus 5 is? It's right here.
11.
Good job. 7 plus 2 is?
10. I mean 9.
Yeah, and then plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 4 is? 13.
Okay.
Good job. And we're done.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.